So this is Article 11, which is amendments. The Constitution and bylaws may be amended by a majority of the qualified voters of the tribe voting at any election called for the purposes of the Secretary of Interior, provided that at least 30% of these entitled to vote shall vote in such election. But no amendment shall become effective until it shall have been approved by the Secretary of Interior. It shall be the duty of the Secretary of the Interior to call an election at any proposed amendment at the request of 2/3 of the council or upon presentation of a petition signed by 1/3 of the qualified voters or members of the tribe. So with this, a lot of the community talked about how with amendments, so any amendments to the Constitution, so if anybody, so right now with the council, it can be request 2/3 of the council or a petition signed by 1/3 of the qualified voters of the tribe. A lot of the community members didn't even know that they could do a petition signed by 1/3 of the qualified voters. So that was something that really came out in the communities, was being able to do amendments, that there was 2 ways you can do that. So with that, that's Article 11 amendments. We'll be moving on to Article 12.